Welcome to Cat with Clarity. In today's video, we'll complete the entire time, speed, distance chapter from basic to advanced level. If you are preparing for SSC, banking, CAT, railway, or any aptitude exam, this is one of the most important topics. By the end of this video, you'll be able to solve time, speed, and distance questions much faster than most students. Question: two trains moving in opposite direction cross each other in 12 seconds. Most students panic when they see train questions, but after today, these questions will become one of your strongest topics. Now, this is the most important formula of the entire chapter. Everything in time, speed, distance revolves around this. Speed equal to distance by time. If any two values are given out of time, speed, and distance, we can always find the third. So distance equal to speed into time, time equal to distance by speed, and speed equal to distance by time. So all three are interconnected formulas. So if you know one, you know the other two as well. So any value out of the three, speed, distance, or time is given, you can find the third one. Now let's look at a simple example. A car travels at 60 km per hour for 2 hours, find the distance. So we know distance equal to speed into time. So if speed is 60 km per hour, time is 2 hours, we multiply, we get 120 km. Now this conversion is extremely important for SSC and railway exams. To convert kilometer per hour into meter per second, we multiply it by 18 by 5. So 1 meter per second is equal to 18 by 5 kilometer per hour. Shortcuts: to convert from kilometer per hour to meter per second, we multiply by 5 by 18. To convert from meter per second to kilometer per hour, we multiply by 18 by 5. Now let's look at a simple practice question. Convert 72 kilometer per hour into meter per second. So if we want to convert kilometer per hour into meter per second, we multiply by 5 by 18. So 72 into 5 by 18 equal to 20 meter per second. Now this concept is the backbone of train questions. Relative speed. When there are two cases, when the trains are moving in opposite direction, the relative speed can be found by adding the speed of the individual trains. And when the trains are traveling in the same direction, the relative speed can be found by subtracting the speed of the two trains. So relative speed is when opposite direction we add the speeds, when same direction we subtract the speeds. Now let's look at a simple example. Two trains move at 60 km per hour and 40 km per hour in opposite directions. So the relative speed will be, since they are in opposite directions, we'll add. So 60 plus 40 equal to 100 km per hour. Another question, two trains move at 80 km per hour and 50 km per hour in same direction. So same direction, so for relative speed, we'll subtract the speed. So 80 minus 50 equal to 30 km per hour. Now let's look at average speed. Average speed equal to total distance divided by total time. Never average speeds directly unless time is equal. Now there is a shortcut. This shortcut works only when equal distances are covered. So let's say a person goes from place X to place Y with a speed of A and comes back from Y to X with a speed of B. Then the average speed is 2 multiplied by A multiplied by B divided by A plus B. So remember, this shortcut works only when equal distances are covered with speed A and speed B. Now let's look at some train problems. So train crossing pole. When a train crosses a pole, only the train length matters. And the formula is time equal to length by speed. So here the distance is nothing but the length of the train. So time equal to distance by speed. So equal to length of the train by speed. Now let's look at an example. A 120-meter train moves at 54 km per hour. How long does it take to cross a pole? Now let's look here at the units. Train is in meter and speed is in kilometer per hour. So our step 1 will be convert the speed into meter per second. So 54 kilometer per hour, if we want to convert into meter per second, we'll multiply it by 5 by 18. So we get 15 meter per second. Step 2, we'll find time. Time equal to length by speed. So length is 120 meter divided by 15 meter per second. So equal to 8 seconds. So time taken to cross the pole is 8 seconds. Now, when train crosses another train, whenever two trains cross each other, the total length becomes length 1 plus length 2. So we add the length of both the trains. So that is the distance equal to total length equal to length 1 plus length 2. Now let's look at an example. Two trains of length 120-meter and 180-meter move in opposite directions at 54 km per hour and 36 km per hour. Find the time taken to cross each other. So here we'll move step by step. Step 1, we'll need to find the relative speed. Now since the trains are traveling in opposite direction, for relative speed we need to add the individual speed. So 54 plus 36 equal to 90 km per hour. Now the speed is given in kilometer per hour, but the length of the train is given in meter. So we'll need to convert the speed into meter per second. So step 2, convert speed into meter per second. To convert from kilometer per hour to meter per second, we multiply by 5 by 18. So 90 into 5 by 18 equal to 25 meter per second. Step 3, we find the distance, which is total length. So length of train 1 plus length of train 2 equal to 120 plus 180 equal to 300 meter. Now step 4, we'll find time equal to total length divided by speed. So equal to 300 divided by 25 equal to 12 seconds. Now let's look at some fast tricks. Opposite direction when the trains are traveling, we add the speeds to get the relative speed. When they are traveling in same direction, we subtract the speeds to get the relative speed. When there is just pole, that is train is crossing the pole, the distance is only train length. When two trains are crossing each other, the length is equal to length of train 1 plus length of train 2. When train is crossing a platform, the distance is equal to length of platform plus length of train. Now let's look at a question. A man walks to school at 5 km per hour and returns at 3 km per hour. Find average speed. Hint is use shortcut. So we learned a while ago that average speed equal to 2 into A into B divided by A plus B, where A and B are the speeds and the time taken and the distance covered should be equal. So since a man is walking to the school and back from school, so the distance traveled is equal. So average speed formula we can apply 2AB upon A plus B. Here A is 5 km per hour, B is 3 km per hour. So average speed equal to 2 into 5 into 3 divided by 5 plus 3 equal to 30 by 8 equal to 3.75 km per hour. Now I'll give you a few questions. Pause the slide and solve these quickly. Convert 90 km per hour into meter per second. Relative speed of 70 km per hour and 40 km per hour in opposite direction. Train length 150 meter crossing pole at 15 meter per second. So quickly solve these questions. I'll give the solution in the next slide. Okay. If this video helped you or you like the video, make sure to like the video, share the video and subscribe to the channel. Comment which chapter you want next and share this video with your friends preparing for competitive exams. I have also shared my Telegram channel link in the description. In the Telegram channel, I share DI and Quant tips, tricks and sets on a daily basis. So please subscribe to my Telegram channel. Thank you.